In this video, I'm going to show you how you can blur background in Microsoft Teams meeting. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So to show you this, I'll first start a meeting. Now to start a meeting, I'll head over to chat here and then go to meet now. So if I click on this will start a meeting straight away. So I'll start the meeting, and because the meeting is now running, here we go. I'll copy the meeting link and join in as a guest. So let me join in using another account. Great. Now I've just joined in the meeting using my browser. Once you have joined the meeting, now you should see we have this option for background filters. If you click on background filters, and here you will see we have various filters here. We have an option to blur. Currently it is set to none. Now choose blur to apply blur on your meeting. By clicking this and then joining, you will have now blurred your background on Microsoft Teams. So that's how you can blur your background in Microsoft Teams meeting. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.